fact, all of us will be out there next week and we're going to be walking each unit and going through and doing a lot of work as part of due diligence to make sure that we really go through the property, understand the property, know everything about the property from top to bottom. So all six of us will be out there kind of going through that and really digging into that property to make sure that it is 100% the best investment for you guys going forward. So this property, it's a 106 unit property, Class B in St. Louis, Missouri. Let's go. All right. So the disclaimer, we go through this. This is pretty much something that you really need to do on everything that you invest in, whether it's stocks, bonds, private equity, private debt, multifamily, anything. Just having that understanding that in general, this is still an investment. There is always some inherent risk with any investment. Um, just making sure that you understand everything that you're doing, reading the PPM and everything that we put out there from a deal disclosure standpoint, and understanding that what you're investing in always has some sort of inherent risk. We do our absolute best to mitigate risk as much as possible, which you'll see in future slides. But always having that understanding that that is part of any type of investment. All right, let's go through the team. So, really what I want to hit on this slide is just the absolute and utter diversity that our team brings together. We specifically came together as a team based on the fact that each one of us has specific strengths that we bring to this team that makes us pretty much like a rock star team. You have the Fantastic Four, we're the Fantastic Six, right? Every single one of us brings something to the table that allows us to really find the best properties, find the best deals for you, manage the best deals, and really bring that investor mindset to everything that we do. Because all of us on this slide are investors ourselves. And in fact, a lot of us started as investors and then worked into self-storage, multifamily, construction, property management, RV parks, farmland, engineering, underwriting, healthcare. We have the gamut on this team, and we are really primed and set to really manage those properties. So this level of experience really helps in managing these properties to really bring out the best in all of them, with our ultimate goal to bring a lot to our investors and also to the properties themselves.